Hi students, I'm Paul Verdictor. In today's class, we are going to see about SQL and the different types of commands in SQL. Structured Query Language. SQL is the language which your computer database understands. For example, if you want to add something to your database and get something from your database, you should talk to it in this SQL language. SQL is declared as standard by American National Standards Institute and ISO. SQL is widely used because of its easy-to-learn nature. Every command in SQL is of simple English. Commands like create, select, etc. could be understood by anyone since it is of simple English. Using SQL operations like inserting, retrieving, updating, creating and deleting of database could be done. The different types of SQL commands are data definition language, data manipulation language, data query language, transaction control language and data control language. Let's check the code box. Demonetization time Q, DMTQ, in which D represents data definition and data control language. M represents data manipulation language. T represents transaction control language and Q represents data query language. Data definition language. DDL commands are used to define the structure of database. So, commands like create, which is used to create a database, alter, it is used to modify the database, drop, deletes a database, rename, to rename an existing object, truncate, to delete all the table records. These are the commands which decides the structure of a database. The code box for DDL commands is dcart. Data manipulation language. DML commands are used to manipulate data. Commands of DML are insert, update and delete. Insert adds new row into the table. Update modifies the existing data with new data. Delete deletes the record from table. Data query language. Select is the only command in DQL. It is used to retrieve data from a table. Transaction control language. TCL command manages the transaction. It is to save changes to a database. Commands used: commit, permanent save, rollback, restores data before transaction, set transaction. To set properties like read or write only. Save point, temporary save. Data control language. DCL commands implement security on database objects. Grant and revoke. Grant, it is used to give permission to specific users on specific objects. Revoke, it is used to remove the permission that was granted from specific users. That's all for today's class. For more lectures on 20 standard computer applications, subscribe and follow Hard Drive channel. Thank you.